Meteorologist Jesse Gunko, team coverage with Danielle Giuliano off to the side. She's going to dig into this storm. But what we've got is a tornado warning currently for southern Mississippi in effect until 6:30. Again, this is Doppler indicated, and obviously we're going to dig a little bit deeper into it. Danielle, what can you show us? Yeah, that's right, Jesse. This is for Wilkinson County, and it is until 6:30 p.m. this evening. So about another 15 minutes here in effect here. Heading from Norwood up to Centreville, close there just to the south of Crosby. And again, this is what they've been seeing. They've seen radar indicated hail signatures of up to an inch. They've seen, again, that area of rotation. So this is the area we're watching, just to the north of Centreville, just to the north of 24 there. You're seeing this area of rotation. Earlier, we did see those red and green colors coupled together, now starting to weaken a little bit, but still very strong winds associated with this. You see the weak signature, and that's continuing to move north at 20 miles per hour. Jesse, can we possibly zoom in and see kind of the streets that this signature is centered on there? So just to the north of Centreville there. So you're heading towards, here we go. We got Tatum, we have 24 there. It's just to the west there. And again, still seeing this as it continues to shift, further off to our north. So if you're north and you're heading along 24 north, again, it's heading your way just to the west of 21, just to the west of Tatum there, just to the northwest of Centreville, and again, down to the southwest of Gloucester there across 33. So this is going to continue to shift further up to our north at 20 miles per hour. If you are in this area, there have been reports of strong winds, even trees down with this system. So continue to take shelter if you are in Wilkinson County there by Tatum, by Gloucester, heading up just to the south of Crosby there and to the north of Centreville. Again, this is the hail signature that we're seeing. This is radar indicated, but still they had reports of inch-sized hail in diameter there just to the west of Centreville there, if we could put a Q on that hail signature that we're seeing. So just to the west of 24 there, those blue colors indicating could be up to an inch there. 0.9 inches in diameter there. So pretty decent sized hail. So you have the hail, you have that radar indicated rotation, you have the strong winds, you have the heavy rainfall there on the radar that we're seeing, you have those lightning strikes. So this storm's going to continue to move off to our north, and as it does, you have that potential to run into that rotation. So again, if you are in this area, make sure you take cover. If you're in Centreville, if you're in Gloucester, if you're just to the south of Crosby with this storm system, make sure you are seeking shelter. The tornado warning is in effect until 6:30 p.m. and as it continues to move north there, just make sure you're aware. And again, here's what we're looking at, hail just to the south of Centreville. Jesse, if we can bring up that warning again, what we're really seeing with this. The warning is in effect until 6:30 p.m. and we're going to keep you updated here. So the area of rotation we're looking at, but this is what you're looking at. From Norwood just to the border of Louisiana and Mississippi, just to the north past Centreville, just to the south of Crosby. If you're in that area, make sure you seek shelter. Jesse and I will be keeping a close eye on this one for you there. So again, this is the tornado warning that we're talking about, and we're going to continue to watch this here. It's in effect again for another 13 minutes or so. Yeah, again, only another 15 minutes. Obviously, the key here is have that safe place. Make sure you know where to go for your family. Again, this is Doppler indicated. No actual reports of a tornado on the ground. Nothing visible quite yet at this point. But I also want to point out that this is just the beginning for our evening. A few isolated thunderstorms have popped so far, and a lot of these have been in southern Mississippi and roughly those Florida parishes, so east and west Feliciana and Point Capee. But that main line is still to the west. It's still to the west. And if you can flip it over to, if you can get it to max 2 right now, we'll just kind of show you that line of showers and thunderstorms at this point. But again, there is a very strong line, and it has a history of very heavy rainfall, and I think that is going to be our biggest concern going into the evening hours. Yeah, it's just the beginning of it. It's still off to our west. It's going to continue to push east here, and we said around 5, 6 in time frame heading into 8 p.m. That's when we're really going to see this strong line of storms continue to shift into southeast Louisiana, and that's when we're really going to keep an eye on those as we head through tonight. Yeah, the good news is a lot of these storms will be out of here by the time you head to bed, so just stay weather aware for a few more hours. And the main thing is we're going to continue to keep you updated on Facebook, over the internet, on our website, beourproud.com, and we're also going to have the very latest on all of our social media platforms. Daniel's been tracking it all day, and I'm going to continue to join her through the rest of the evening. And Kevin will be here early in the morning just in case if there's some actual flooding.